How to make awesome Discord servers in under 5 minutes. Please watch my video carefully and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, I'm gonna use this template. If you wanna use this template, I will paste it on the description. So if you click that link, you will direct here in your Discord. So let's start. Upload if you want a picture on your Discord server. So I download this and create. As you can see, it's already have servers, channels, move-in, subchat, AFK, gaming. If you want to edit, then right click, edit channel. If you want to vibes and save change, escape. And if you want more, if you want to control the whole server, go to your server settings, roles. If you want to assign roles here, like this, you can edit it also. Admin, if you want blue, it's blue, and then save change, then emoji, you can upload it. Stickers, it's for views only. Widget, and if you want template title, you can type here, or description. Then you can generate template. Integrations, you can enable the building community if you want to build a big community in Discord. Example, you want to build community about Roblox, Valorant, Call of Duty, you can edit here. You can get start. And verified email required. Yes, next. Create one for me, next. Then I agree. Finish setup. And here, rules or guidelines for channel. You can put here your rules and guidelines, community updates, safety notification, like that. You will choose channel, server primary language here. Also that here onboarding, you can check it out and got it. You can edit here, raid protection and capacha, got it. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you follow my steps. And it's up to you if you want to build a Discord community server for your friends or family, cousins. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.